So, hey guys, welcome back. We're back with Medcar F1. Today we guys are in a new car. We're actually not lost in the 1991. So today let's see what happened in a new car. So actually let's we can see. You can see 2021 guys. Okay, let's see what happened guys. Oh, no, it's 2021 guys. Wait. Okay. So today with you guys, look at this be. This is in a livery. Are we on a this is really guys on the yellow, red, purple and sky blue and black. So today the engines on a livery and a last video. Guys, today last race on but today 2021 in Italy Grand Prix in actually 1991. So but they can see let's see what happened delivery. Okay, guys, we're begin today, we begin Betty, and actually all book. Um, this absolutely, guys. And today we are the on board. Next time we're actually qualifying. Yeah, actually you can see, guys. Okay, today let's see what happened in a quali. So finish actually you can see, guys. So we absolutely in a we and actually it's a today. So we absolutely the last it's a we on today. Guys, today we how we gonna operate the pack and actually unlock. Yes, I did again see guys. Love Ferrari in this actually. So today in a we actually in time. So and if we in time. This next a hypercar. Then it is a business really guys. It's a hypercar on a 963 V8 6. But loot actually $800, which is against the hypercar. And you can see actually wheel and extra in this time. So we are today in a we actually little bit absolute hypercar. Wait, what is going on? Okay, we next did this hypercar, and then actually the we can see. So today this is a hypercar and a hypercar. You can see new in a car, and I can see it actually, but it however not in a field. You can see, but we can see which day, but it actually you know what I can see. So that's the time and bye guys. Next year in hypercar.